How to create Canva Education account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create Canva's education account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for Canva Education page. After you search for that, you'll find Canva Education. Tap on this and you will be taken to canva.com/education. After you're here, you can then select which account you want. If you're a teacher, you can get verified. If you're a school, you can tap on discover more and so on and on. So let's tap on students and it'll take us to the students tab right here. Now you can tap on sign up for free. And now what you'll need to do is tap on continue to Canva if you're logged in into your account. So you can simply create an account. Let me just sign out and show you what to do next. So right here, if you are on your Google Chrome or any web browser which has your account, you can tap on continue right here. Or if you want to choose another account, tap on continue with another account. Let's do that. Now from here, you can select if you want to use your Google or Facebook or email. Let's tap on continue with Google. Then select an account. And they will simply ask you permissions. So let's tap on continue. And after that, it will start logging in or signing up to your account. And after that, you should be good to go. Now there you can see you can use this for yourself. Let's select student here. And let's say I'm a university student. And there we go. We've just created an account. And that's all for today's video. That's how you create an education account on Canva. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.